Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today, I'm going to dig out my equipment from this messy shed, and I'm going to go brush whacking. Okay, that about does it for tools. I got my brush whacker. Oh, I need some wedges just in case. I got my axe, got the chainsaw, gas, oil, silicone for the blade here. So what I'll be doing today is just clearing as much of the smaller trees on the Billy Road as possible. That way I'll be able to see the road in the winter and take out the bigger trees during the winter. Pretty simple task. I'm just going to go right down the road cutting trees and throw them off to the side. I'll burn them later. So here we go. One thing before I leave, this contraption right here, it's a 1.5-inch plug with bushing, threaded adapter bushing, and then I believe this is automotive, but it might not be. I forget what this is called, but anyways, it's a chuck adapter for the compressor. What I need to do is go plug this into the area behind our furnace. There's kind of a plenum back there. I need to take the furnace off the wall, which isn't that big of a deal. It's a small furnace. Plug this in and apply air to it to hopefully blow a bird nest out of the intake air line. I won't be doing that today, but watch for that video. It should be pretty interesting. Let's check the temperature and then get to work. It is 30 right now. The frost has just burned off, so it's pretty chilly out there. As you can see, this area is just loaded with stuff that I cut last time I came through here when I was clearing around the main big trees over here. But that's not what I'm interested in today. What I am interested in is getting these invasive species along the road, getting those cut out, but the road in general. I want to clear a path all the way down to the bottom, and then tomorrow I want to get at the brambles at the bottom. Then I'm out of time. The hunters are coming the day after that, and I can't be out here cutting. So I have limited time today, so let's get at it. Okay, found a can in here, a cat food can, or maybe tuna. Them raccoons get into the garbage here and there. So I got it fairly clear. Now about 2/3 of the way down. I'm going to come back and take out a couple more trees depending on how much time I have. I have a definite stop time, so now I need to come back with the chainsaw, dice up these logs and toss them off to the side, and then get back going with the brush cutter. And I'm going to take out as much as I can until I hit my stop time, which should get the majority of it. I also went over here. I didn't even know that this was here. We got a continuation of the rock hilltop that goes through here, and it connects with a much bigger one over there that I showed in yesterday's video. And that's Bigfoot right there. For some reason you can't really see stuff through the woods with these, but I'll get this stuff cleared out no problem very soon, especially now that I have a road going down here. I should be able to drive up and down this with the gator no problem, and then get further down into there and work my way up to the backside of all of the big trees here. So going good. Now I got a chainsaw. Well, that'll about do it for this video. The area that I'm up against right now, I'll go down here so you can see the whole thing. It extends this way a bit, but then goes quite a bit that way. This is all brambles. It's blackberry, raspberry, and gooseberry. The gooseberry will just rip you wide open. See if I got one right here. Yeah, there's one right here. There is the thorns on a gooseberry. Pretty wicked. So I got a lot done. Got the whole road all the way down to the brambles cut and way to the side. This is the road right here, and those trees extended all the way back that way, so I cut them as well all the way back there, because this is also a road, so I will be clearing. This just goes around and connects with another logging road along the bottom. So this is like an intersection right here. So I will get that clear. That'll give me nice easy access to get like these invasive bushes back here. Just a lot easier to get down here, and good access to the new property. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to knock down all the brambles, so it'll be easy for me in the spring to get in there and spray with 2,4-D and actually kill them. And then the day after that, I'm going to try getting all 3 of those cedars around Bigfoot out. Then we have hunters here and rain and whatnot, so I'll be working in the shed, cleaning that out so I can start working on the Ferguson. This, I wanted to keep all of this stuff. It's all rotten, so it's not going to burn. Well, it'll burn, but it won't burn very well. But if you stack it up like this, it'll make a habitat. And we've had 2 milk snake sightings so far this year, and this is the kind of habitat they like, brush piles like this. So they'll kind of live in the bottom there and hunt the mice and stuff in there, which is a good thing. We like our snakes. So I'm out of here. If you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the update icon so you're notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day.